In today's fast-paced digital world, where typing often takes the lead, we are asking a simple but powerful question. Are we forgetting the power of handwriting? While typing may be faster and more convenient, new research reveals that handwriting might be better for your brain. The handwriting process begins in the prefrontal cortex, where you consciously decide to write. The premotor cortex formulates the detailed plan for movement. At the same time, visual feedback helps the brain monitor where and how the pen moves across the page to guide spatial precision. The primary motor cortex initiates fine motor control. It particularly targets regions responsible for moving the hand and fingers to form letters. Motor commands travel through the corticospinal tract, passing through the brainstem and medulla. Most of these fibers cross over at the medullary pyramids before descending into the spinal cord. Within the ventral horn of the spinal cord, upper motor neurons synapse with alpha motor neurons. These neurons then transmit impulses directly to the hand and finger muscles. At the neuromuscular junction, acetylcholine is released. This neurotransmitter stimulates muscle fibers to contract to produce precise movements required for writing. Finally, as writing continues, proprioceptors in muscles and joints send continuous feedback to the brain. The cerebellum uses this information to continuously adjust muscle tone, timing, and coordination. On location, we have our neuroscientist, Dr. Fatima. Dr. Fatima, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Fakiha. In our latest study, we explored how handwriting and typewriting affect the brain differently using a high-density EEG setup with 256 electrodes to track real-time brain activity. We recruited university students to complete 30 trials where each word was shown twice in random order. In one condition, they wrote the word in cursive using a digital pen on a touch screen. In the other, they type it just using their right index finger to keep motor activity control. When we analyzed the EEG data, we found significantly higher coherence between brain regions during handwriting, meaning the brain was more connected and synchronized. Specifically, we saw increased connectivity in theta band 3.5 to 7.5 Hz, which is crucial for working memory, and alpha band 8 to 12.5 Hz associated with long-term memory. These results suggest that the fine motor movements and sensory feedback from handwriting stimulate the brain far more than the repetitive motion of typing.
Thank you, Dr. Fatima. We now bring you an exclusive live simulation comparing handwriting and typewriting.
We tested how writing and typing affect memory using two participants. Each wrote 15 French-English words by hand in 5 minutes. Then they had 5-minute social media break. And then a memory recall. At last, they had a recognition quiz. Then, we repeated the same for typing. 5 minutes to type, 5-minute break, and the same two-part memory test. Both participants scored full marks in both tasks. Sounds equals, right? But after 8 hours, we asked them to recall the words again. This time, handwriting outperformed typing. More words were remembered.
Turns out, old school note-taking might be the smarter move. I'm Fakiha, thanks for watching.